is get a lemon. All right. This is a requested video from one of my audience. Requested video. So you need to get a lemon. Okay. And also you need to get some garlic. All right. Yes. So garlic and lemon. These two ingredients is powerful for help to lower your blood pressure, and also very good to drink for your immune system also. All right, now I don't need to give you the benefit of these two ingredients. You're supposed to can know the benefit. I do so many videos and these one, but I like to encourage my audience to drink something like this before you go to your bed at night. It is important for you to drink something substance to help you with your cholesterol in your immune system, because a lot of people may eat some food, drink a little bit of water, and not even drink water, and then might drink a coffee or some form of or something before they go to their bed. Now I'm giving you ideas. Drink something like apple cider vinegar with lemon or with garlic, or something like can help you to reduce your cholesterol level, because that's what help. That's why so many people suffering from sugar, high blood pressure, and a lot more stuff on the list is long. Let's go into it. I'm gonna just give you a quick recipe where you guys can make at home on a regular basic. Drink this in the morning, at night, during the day for at least a month. See what happened to your body. Or for a week, for 2 weeks, whatever times makes you happy. Okay? So let's do this together with you guys. All right? Powerful message to you guys today. Okay? Now, I'm gonna try a magic trick. This is what I saw a lot of people been doing. They put the knife into the garlic and wrap the garlic 2 times, and the garlic come out, but it didn't work. Hey, it worked. Here it is. Yeah, it works. All right. Yeah, this is beautiful. So that's the garlic. So here it is, another clove of garlic. All right, I'm just showing you guys what I'm doing. All right, let's start it off with straight clove of garlic. And what you want to do is cut up your garlic, or you can grate it. All right. Now, you don't have to make it. That's my message. But if you think it's a good recipe, go ahead and make it. All right. Nice one. Okay. Is my audience request this video, and I have to make it. cups of water. See this? Nice, Chef Ricardo. I want you guys to see exactly what I'm doing. All right. Once you get the water, put it on the cooker. I'm using the side of the cooker this time. This is the garlic. I think I may put some more garlic because a large cup. All right. Now, all right, put another one. Wow. So this is the garlic, 5 cloves of garlic. The reason why I use so many garlics is because it's a large cup. You don't have to use so many garlics. It's option. All right. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do, this is the garlic. Put it into the pot. Like that. We're gonna allow that to cook for at least another 8 minutes. It will cook. All right. So in the meantime, get your lemon. Lemon with the seed is better. Okay. Squeeze it out. See, this one with the seed is very, very good. All right, yeah. I'm using a medium-sized lemon. Squeeze out all of that liquid. Nice. See that? Yeah. Yeah. Perfect. Is it? So we're gonna get the hot water boil up with the garlic. So right here, that's the lemon juice, and that's looking good. Now what we're gonna do, let's put this one side. Get our large cup, okay? Beautiful. Yeah, but as you guys can see, that's the lemon, and this is the garlic. But you will see this is a powerful, natural home remedy, good for cold and flu. And not only that, the kind of weather we need something like this. Outside is very cold, freezing cold. This will also help to boost up your immune system. Yeah, 100%. Big up my TikTok and my Facebook audience. All right, yeah. So, waiting for the garlic. Smell the garlic, guys. My God, the garlic's strong. Powerful remedy. Do not put any honey inside of it. Okay, guys, you need to leave it natural like this. All right, do not put any honey inside of it. Okay, this is the honey I normally use, but sometimes you need to just leave it naturally. All right, so it is boiling. $37 likes. You guys are joking, man. Joking. Big time. With Chef Ricardo cooking. Spoiling up my algorithm. Anyway. Guys, please like the video, man. And stop spoiling up my algorithm. Please. Alright. So, this is boiled. Alright. Yeah. Yeah, look at that. Perfect. Get the flavor from the garlic into the water. Yeah. Nice one. Lovely. So what we're gonna do, this is the lemon juice. Pour it in it like this. You don't have to strain it. Drink it natural. Praise the Lord. This is good. Do you see that, guys? Give it a mix. All right. Here it is. This is more stronger than the antibiotic we're gonna use on the spill. So have a good look and have a good think the next time you're eating some food and you have high blood pressure rising up. Have a good think and a good look and see what you are doing wrong. All right.